Sunday dinner with me always have to include candied yams. I love candied yams. So I'm going to give you my candied yam specialty with less sugar, but a lot of flavor. Okay, as you can see, I'm putting my smoked chicken on the pit. I have my green beans picked. I added some carrots and a little seasoning. Here's my candied yams demonstration. You got to peel the candied yams, and each one. Most people like to cut theirs like this, straight down. I like to cut them like this. Then you have to, some people cut them straight up. I sliced them in an angle because I like the way the presentation of them look. I cut them kind of thick, not too thin, because you don't want them to break apart and become sweet potato pie. Then I add all my seasonings, my margarine. I don't add too much margarine. I add my nutmeg and my cinnamon, all my seasonings, and I add very little sugar because I'm getting ready to show you in the end what's going to give the candied yams the flavor. I'll put a dash of salt to give it, just bring out the flavor of the yam. And I will add my nutmeg, a little touch of nutmeg. And a little touch of cinnamon. The cinnamon is what brings the candied yams out. Now you're going to see in a second. Here's where the beauty comes with the flavor of the candied yams. Some people use apple. I love to use pears because pears give it a different type of flavor. And you take, now this is where your flavor comes in at. And you just take a couple of slices of pears and you slice it up and you just drop it in the candied yam. A drop of lemon juice, raw lemon juice, and put it in. You let it keep cooking until it cooks itself down, and then you'll know. On high for about 5 more minutes, and then you release. Then you release the lid like that so it'll start cooking itself down. Now, when you see that they are almost finished, you turn them, and then leave. You turn them. You don't turn them too hard so they won't break. And then you turn it down low to about 4 or 5. And then you let them cook for like 15 minutes. And then 15 minutes later, you can taste it if you want, but mine normally tastes the same. Then you add a little vanilla extract. Let it cook down for like 5 minutes, cover it, and then you're finished. Now, I've added my vanilla extract, and now I'm letting it cook down for like 5 minutes on 3 or 2, real low, just to get the flavor of the vanilla extract. And then I'll be ready to eat. Okay, there we go. Ready to serve. Anybody ready to eat? And thanks again for watching Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. I hope you like my candied yams recipe. I hope you try it. If you have any questions, you have any additions you want me to include, or you think I should try, send me a comment below and let me know, and I will definitely include it. If you have a video you want to show me of you cooking something and add it into Simple Cooking with Braden Brand, I'll do that as well. Anyway, I'll see you next week on Simple Cooking with Braden Brand.